Are you looking for tactical support services? With many years of real-time field experience, our team at Tactical Support Services, Inc. has extensive knowledge in strike security, plant shutdowns, replacement worker staffing, and much more. Our staff will help you prepare for any of your tactical support needs in a manner that will not make our efforts become a crisis issue, but one that will enhance the overall security of your facility and its staff. Tactical Support Services will review and make recommendations for your contingency plans and/or threat assessment to ensure a complete and realistic strike plan. This allows you, the client, to continue to conduct business during times of high risk, such as labor unrest, strikes, potential workplace violence, and more. Once your team is assembled, site leadership will conduct a contingency briefing with the site commander, evidence coordinator, shift supervisors, tactical strike security, road response teams, drones, and more. To speak with our staff of highly trained Tactical Support Services members, visit tacticalsupportservice.com or call 678-788-6090.